Everyone, we are here at 732 Wildmere Village Cove. It is a lovely little cul-de-sac community that has about 15 to 20 homes in it. It's a lovely home located in Longwood, Florida. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is on what the neighbors of this community like to call Little Lake Wildmere. You do have a 3-car garage. Very rare in this area, so that's nice to have that. And let's take you into this lovely home. As you can see, you have a long driveway and you have your brick pavered driveway. It does sit on 0.32 of an acre. You have no rear neighbors. You also have a nice little drainage canal on the side to the left, so you have no one to your left-hand side either. As you can see, you have a lovely open concept. We are listed at $525. Look at all this storage. 42-inch cabinets. You have your mosaic backsplash. Tons of storage, tons of prep space. Great for entertaining. Built-in oven. Have your dining room over here. Light and bright, my goodness, you don't even need the lights on in this house. It's beautiful. Your HOA is $78 a month. I'm going to take you upstairs first. So you do have a pantry here. I'll show you the 3-car garage as well. Little workspace, storage space, homework space, pet space. Let's take you out here. Again, a 3-car garage. There is a new Pioneer Mini split AC for the downstairs. The power bill for this home, 2,510 square feet, is in July $240 only. You have the luxury vinyl wood. And then all the bedrooms are upstairs. Take you into the utility room, which is lovely to have upstairs as well too. And right across from there could be your home office, could be the 4th bedroom, whatever you prefer. Workout. And you have your guest bath with the shower tub. Take you into the primary. Lovely tray ceilings, his and her closets, walk-in shower. Lovely views, not to mention. We will get to it, I promise. There's your lovely view from your primary. And this home was built in 2014, so everything is newer. Newer windows, newer windows, newer roof. You have your own separate commode. His and her sinks. And then your nice glass shower. Lovely views all throughout this home. It's just perfectly situated. Take you into one of the closets. We will see which one is hers and hers. I'm just kidding. And then our other. This one is hers. So this one, and then it goes back through here. Quite nice. So again, all the bedrooms are upstairs, so that is lovely. Open concept downstairs, where you have your living room, kitchen, and family room. Just a lovely home for entertaining. Okay, let's take you downstairs and outside. Thank you. Okay. Let's go outside now. Oh, half bath. So your guests don't even need to go upstairs. Nice little half bath. Additional storage. That could be built out if you wanted to. So again, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5, 2,510 square feet, built in 2014. All right, let's go outside. This is there's sprinkler system, fully irrigated. You have your gutters. You've done so well this whole time, and then I lost you when I stepped outside. Okay. Like I was saying, there's irrigation and gutters at the house. I know on the maps it does show that this is in a flood zone, but we do have a document that shows that it is not, and you are actually in X. So you are not required to cover flood insurance, but if you would like to, that costs. Okay, I'm sorry. I stepped away from the house, so it was mad that I couldn't connect anymore. My apologies. So like I was saying, the home shows on public records and MLS that it is in a flood zone, but we do have a document that shows that it is X, and it is not. That the builders did fill it up high enough, which I will show you in a moment. That it is not required to cover, hold flood insurance for this home. If you want to, you can. And it's $720 yearly, but you are not required to do so. So if you can tell, there is a gradual climb up to the home. So they did build these homes up, all of them, not just this one. This whole community was built up, so they are not in the flood zone. And again, we do have documentation to prove that. Let me take you out here and show you your lovely private dock. My goodness, look at this. So peaceful. And again, there is no name for this lake, but the subdivision, the neighbors, the community, they call it Little Lake Wildmere. So if you'd like a private showing, feel free to reach out to us. If you have any questions, reach out to us again, put it in the comments. we'll get back to you. But this is 732. I'm going to make sure I get down properly. Wildmere Village Cove. A 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 2014, 2,510 square feet, and we are listed at $525. Here's the other side of the house. Again, this is not your property, but nobody is right there. How nice. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.